I know where we're at now.
Oh, yeah, we're right back by where we were. We should find that McDonald's again.
McDonald's?
Oh.
It's that way.
That's like making me nervous.
Maybe it'll scare him away. Let's hope it'll scare him away.
She sounds like a mouse when she does that.
Or a dolphin, that's what I think.
Yeah, a
Ow,
dolphin.
that would hurt.
Are you sure water won't help?
I've already drank some. And it didn't do anything.
Get nervous.
Ow. Thanks.
Let's stop in the underwear shop.
Get nervous, maybe it'll help.
Let's go in the underwear shop. That might make him nervous.
I make them nervous.
You go into the changing room, start hiccuping. I see the person outside, just like their face outside. What is she doing in there?
You like jump up a little bit when you hiccup.
Because it hurts. It like... Ow.
You have my bag, right?
I
Okay.
don't know where we
No,
are.
I sold it.
We're right back where we were. We're back where we're supposed to meet, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, cool.
Remember that?
There's an Apple store.
Yeah.
Is it done?
How's it going?
Hopefully.
And one large one. One large
It
one.
might be done. I think they're done. Hopefully.
Baby.
Don't stop.
Maybe.
I like to like poke you in the side, see if it
I don't
works.
think they're done.
Like poke you and right like
I
poke
think
you.
they are done.
Hopefully.
Oh!
It's always even more fun when it's it's like, yes, it's done. I think we have to sit down everybody in our EF tour and like play this for them.
It's not nice.
I'm not gonna do that to you.
There's another little gift shop right there. We should try this little gift shop.
I have to cough, and every time I cough, I hiccup.